what you can see here is a tightening in liquidity. Now, I look back pre-COVID and I think, well, why won't we be going back to that level of liquidity? You can see in 2017, 18, and 19, again, those were the Trump years. We were doing just that. We were lowering the liquidity. Now, in 2018, that was a big up year for the stock market. 2017, sorry. 2018 and 19, those were weaker years for all kinds of financial assets. So when liquidity dries up, financial markets struggle. And I think that's partly what's going on right now. And as I mentioned at the outset, we think that the Fed will continue to ease, the government will reopen, and so the Treasury General account will release funds as well.